Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Elantra oil change light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the instrument cluster menu. You'll need to find the user settings or service interval option to proceed with the reset. Once you've found the service interval menu selected, you should see the engine oil or oil change reminder displayed on the screen. To initiate the reset, press and hold the OK or Reset button, usually located on your steering wheel, for about 3 to 5 seconds until the display changes. After holding the button, your display will likely show a confirmation message asking something like Reset or Confirm Reset. Select Yes to confirm. The system will then update and you should see the new service interval displayed, indicating that the oil change reminder has been successfully reset. To finalize the process, turn off your ignition completely, then restart the engine. Double-check your dashboard to ensure the oil change reminder light is no longer illuminated. If you encounter any issues, always refer to your Hyundai Elantra's owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as slight variations can occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.